Bro, chill. I'm going over the speed limit. What more do you want? Fucking drive! What the hell? Oh my god, I need to get around this person.
Fuck you, bitch.
Okay.
Fuck you and your fucking mother.
Yeah, fuck you and your mother. Fuck you and your 1,000 extra rows, you fat bitch.
Fuck
What's
you.
worse than being stuck behind a learner driver? Being stuck behind two of the selfish pricks! Got another joke? What have British people in a statue got in common? We literally never fucking move! Ever! Why the fuck do they call it a rush hour? Slow down, everyone! Calm down! It's not a race! Stop rushing!
They say if you look at something for long enough, you'll start to love it.
Well, I'll be shoving my cock in a fucking brake light sandwich! Americans drive on that side of the road. But in England, on this side of the road, you sit here and do fucking nothing!
Do you want to live in London? Do you want to live life in the fast lane?
Good fucking luck finding it! Here's another joke. So this American guy walks into a bar, then an Australian guy walks into the bar, then an English guy. Well, he can't fucking make it!
The British motorways have 0 deaths, 0 crashes, 0
fucking movement!
I was going to make a Vine today, but something unbelievable's happened.
There's no traffic! And the fucking sun's out!
British countryside, sometimes you...
What is your problem?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you
What are you
doing? You're on
doing?
your phone.
I'm not. I would
Look,
never.
you're on your phone still.
I would never follow
You may
you.
be fucking cute, but I don't give a fuck.
I would never follow
Look,
you.
first off, if I record you for the first off,
You cut me off, slammed on
I
your
cut
brakes,
you
and
off
started
because you know why?
and
You're going
started
under the speed limit,
and
40
started
miles
flicking
per
me
hour,
off.
You're driving 30.
No, what are you
Yes,
talking
you
about?
were.
No, I'm
and you did this
not.
the whole time. Look,
Okay.
Look at Miss
Okay.
Pretty Face. You said this.
Okay, I don't care what you have to say.
Fuck you. You're ugly. Guess what? You're ugly.
Thank you.
You're fucking ugly.
You know those situations when you're sitting in all this traffic and, you know, you just got to deal with it. And then there are those people that try and pull this shit and try and go in this lane. Well, guess what? I fucking decided not today. You're not going to do this. You're not going to go and pass all of these fucking people who are waiting. So what have I done? I've pulled out, I've blocked you, and I'm still waiting in line. That's what you're going to do today, bitch. You're not going to fucking cut off all these people. I'm not playing your game. So have fun sitting there and waiting like everyone else.
Holy shit! Holy fuck! Holy shit! Oh fuck! Some dude just got into a fucking accident.
You fucking dead, you bitch!
One of the things that sucked most is following slow people. But the second thing that really sucks is inhaling his gas fumes. Bitch, fix your exhaust thingy-majiggy. I'm inhaling toxins. I'm getting dizzy.
Yeah. Fuck you, bro. Cocksucker. Fucking cocksucker, bro. Fucking asshole. Fucking hit me. Wow. 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 I have this on video. Fuck you. Wow.
What, my god? What are you doing? Lazy bastard! What are you doing? I'm going to honk. What are you doing, crazy? Bastard! I'm most angry! Very angry! How can she stop? It is in the middle of the freeway. Why are you stopping? Very, very angry. How can she stop?
I'm sorry, but when the speed limit is 25 miles a fucking hour and it's white as shit because, you know, I don't know, snow's fucking white, why do people need their fucking high beams? Cause not to mention fucking streetlights. Jesus.
My nigga, you really passed the whole line to try to get over. You are goofy as fuck. Goofy ass little nigga. Goofy ass. Goofy.
I'm driving home. People don't understand. There's a whole left lane. So, Mr. Sir, who's riding my ass, ride it now, bitch!
This is called a mother effing blinker. Use it!
Fucking little Tesla here. Don't drive fucking 50 miles an hour, dude. You have to fuck. You know what I'm saying? Like, holy fuck. Let me just see if I can. I mean, good God, get off the fucking road already. Fuck.
The light's green and they don't notice. Should I honk? I don't know if I should honk. Should I honk? I don't want them to think I'm annoying. I'm just gonna do a little honk. Just a small honk. Oh. Oh, they're going now. Oh, thank you. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Thanks.
That's for not letting me cut you off, you stupid piece of shit!
What the fuck?
It's just a tip. Oh, where you going, car? Where you going, car? Fucking idiot. You saw me turning.
So this red Jeep up here is a complete moron and a tool. Going 20 miles an hour on this exit just to beat it. Look at that son of a bitch go. Got that sticker on his windshield. A North Texas Jeep. Can I be cool like you when I grow up, partner? Oh, there you go. There you go. Get stupid, buddy. Well, if that's your boy, somebody come get him. He done got stupid.